In this video we proceed with decorations for the house for Christmas, and we will paint once again a slice of wood. This time we will paint toyon, a Christmas berry that usually is found in Christmas decoration, and it is green leaves and red berry. And we will proceed with I take a very thin round paintbrush and begin with green color. I prepare it. As I mentioned on previous videos, I used gouache for painting the slices. You can use acrylic too. And the watercolor, it's not a good idea, only because watercolor is very transparent and we need a more consistent effect of it. Okay. So now I'm painting the leaf. The leaf is green. As you see, I have a very transparent color because I mixed it up with the water, but don't worry, we will go with another layer and it will be better visible on the wood slice. Okay. And here we go with the leaf. It is actually very easy drawing. The difficulty here is the wood slice. And on each video that I make, you will find it only the difficulty that it is a different way to paint. If compared with the watercolors, the intensity of the color is bigger, and if we mix it too much with water, what I usually do when we are painting on the paper, it is better seen and clearly seen than on the wood slice. And here it is not the same. Okay. Another leaf. I will come up later here to the leaves, but for now I will take red color. Okay. And I will paint the berries. We can paint smaller berries and bigger berries. Oops, sorry for the movement. We try to make these berries round. Meanwhile it dries, I will take brown color. I do not have brown colors, that is why I mix up red color with green color and with yellow color. Why I need brown color is for the stubbles of the berries. and I need a very thin lines to make. You see? As well, another difficult side of this do-it-yourself work will be that the slices are really small. These are 6 centimeters as much, and it is very difficult to work if you don't have proper paint brushes. So take care to have as well paint brushes that are very thin, and better works the round paintbrush than one that is plain. As you see, my green color just dried, and I will intensify the color. I will take here some red color, and we'll make this green color to be more intense. Just to make better the feeling is that this is a leaf and not only a simple green paint. As the last, I will take some white color and will improve the highlights. Now I'm working on the darker sides. Okay, I'll take more green color. If it happens that you buy slices that are bigger in size, because there are 7 centimeters or 8, I just advise you to go with this diameter, because I think that it is easier to work on a bigger surface than on a very small one. But of course it is up to you, it is up to everyone who makes these drawings. Too much water. For example, watercolor loves water, and it is easier to manage to work with it when it is a lot of water. And I cannot say the same with gouache. With gouache it is a little bit more complicated, and with acrylic as well, but it's the only form that we can work on these slices of the wood, and it doesn't matter. The most important is if you have pleasure of making all these do-it-yourself things and enjoying yourself. I will add some more red color to my berries, and as well more green color. Okay. Why I do this is because I feel like my green color is very transparent, and I want to intensify the color. If you think that is your green color is okay, then don't worry, just leave it with the first layer. Okay, and now it's time for white color and highlights. As you see, I apply very few amount of white. And that's it, this side is made. Now we have to proceed with another side. I take green color I advise you still to go with more water because it is easier to work, and then only to complete the work and finish it with more intensity. But the first layer I really advise you to go with more water because it is just easier for you to paint, not because I want it. I really like the way to make things perfect from the first layer, but sometimes it is just very difficult to make. Okay, I leave it to dry. Now I will work with red color. Okay, and I paint my berries. Try to make those round. Berries have a round form, and it is just prettier when it is round. And now I will work with brown color. Okay, it is not so brown. It is too much yellow. Right, now I think it's okay. And now after I finish this, I add more green color wherever I feel it's necessary. And my last finished layer to finish is the white color. And that's it. Now we leave it to dry and we have our another layer wood slice ready for the decorations. See you on the next video.